Hi guys, get ready with me as I'm going to show you how we call our items in Kijaluo. So we start, we call this one as agwata, this one is pala, this one is oliho, some call it as oluthkwon for cooking ugali, this one is rachungi, this one is juech, we call it as juech, this one is ofuria. We call this maziwa as chak, or sradudu, this one. This one is bell. Then this one is oder. And this one is ochwado ya kufieka. This one is we call it as tashchumni. This one is nyakalondo. We call this one as opao, and this one we call it as ten, some call it as orange. Then we call this one okap. This one is okap for going to the market, ya kwenda sokoni. Madi echiro ni ya orech. This one ama ya kushiaga, ya kurego. Bye guys, see you on to the next.